Hello, my name is Stephen Alexander. I'm a U.S. history teacher at A&M Consolidated Middle School in College Station, Texas. I have been a teacher here for 15 years and been teaching for 17 years. I am currently working on my Master's of Educational Technology and Leadership, and I think that tells you what you need to know about me. The campus demographics, tell a little bit about the campus I work at. The number of students here is about 882. Our grade levels are 7. It's a 7-8 campus, and our ethnic makeup of our students is 16% African American, 27% Hispanic, 45% white, and 6.7% Asian. The socioeconomic makeup of the campus is 45% economically disadvantaged. And then we have 77 total staff members, 59 teachers, and the ethnic makeup of our faculty is 1.7% African American, 5% Hispanic, and 93.2% white. Our range of years experience, we have brand new teachers, first year teachers, to over 20 years experience, and then with an average of 13 years experience for our teachers. Issues and concerns. Our African American students and our economically disadvantaged students are the areas that we have been struggling with for many years, actually. They're areas that we have a concern about their performance and how they're going to, be able to perform in high school and then beyond. And then student cultural and social issues of concern. Well, one of them is just the really encouraging students to see the importance of education, and then just their own agency, that what they have, what they do matters, and how what they can do to make an impact on their life. There's a real hard time. Many of them seem to feel like it doesn't matter what they do, life is going to happen and they have no control over it. And so helping them to see that they have agency is a big goal, in my opinion. So this particular activity, what I'll be doing is observing, and my goal is to observe the classroom, which one of my colleagues' classrooms, through as if I'm an administrator. I'll be noting their attention to instructional strategies, how they've differentiated instruction, and student engagement, how engaged they are, and then how the teacher just kind of manages those things throughout the class period. The teacher that I'm going to be observing, she has been a teacher for 10 years, and this class is an Algebra 1 Pre-AP class. Now, our campus is a 7-8 campus, but there are actually even a few 6th graders that are in this particular class. So the range of students in the class will be from 6th to 8th grade, and it's in a 9th grade. Algebra 1 Pre-AP is a 9th grade level course. So I chose this teacher because she is an instructional coach, so she obviously has a great reputation as knowing how to deliver good, solid instruction. Just in my own interactions with her, I've seen that she's a good teacher, and that she is really focused on student engagement and being able to assess where they are quickly, and then dealing with that, getting them the information and the skills they need when they need them. And so those are some of the reasons why I've chosen her as the teacher I wanted to observe. In talking with her about the demographics of her classroom, there are, let's see, let me check my notes here on the number of the breakdown of the demographics in the class. So there are 6 Asian students in this class, 3 Hispanic, 1 African American, and then 17 white students, giving us a total of, I think, 27 students that are in the class. So the lesson plan, she really has a workshop model classroom with a small bit of direct instruction, followed by some independent work or collaborative work, and she kind of shifts back and forth between them working on their own and collaborating with each other, and she does that pretty regularly. The specific topics that she'll be working on: solving equations with variables on both sides of, and let's see, instructional strategies she'll use. It's a workshop model, is her major way of working within the class. and that gives her opportunity to differentiate instruction regularly. She expects students to self-regulate and self-assess consistently, so she gives them opportunity to check her key, to use photomath and different other applications that can check their work and show them the proper way to do it. She's very much a process-oriented. What's the process you went through to learn to get the answers? She uses Poll Everywhere to begin class to see where students are, what questions they had over the homework, and so that's a form of self-assessment, but then it gives her that information right away where she can see where they are and what they need to check their learning, check their understanding. And then she checks their engagement just by monitoring the classroom and seeing, through collaborative discussions and through discussions with individual students. So that's the class. It's my introduction to the observation that I'll be doing today.